Make a great choice today with the 2019 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States, and is priced below $70,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, heated seats, Bose sound system, power passenger seat, power lift gate, power sunroof, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, power steering. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.